Hello everyone, and thanks for checking out your Mr. Quik weather update. Thursday is going to bring some relief from the heat and humidity. We have temperatures tomorrow only in the lower 80s. Going to be a breezy day as well, and we'll see a mix of sun and clouds. Overall, just a really nice day tomorrow. There's a very slight chance we could see a spotty shower in the afternoon, but that would be very brief and light in nature. Overall, enjoy a cooler day tomorrow, and we're going to continue to see some really nice weather here Friday. Low humidity Friday with plenty of sunshine, temperatures in the lower 80s out there, lows in the lower 60s, so we're getting some relief. But then as we go through the weekend, we're expecting temperatures to heat back up closer to 90. We're expecting a lot of sunshine on Saturday. We'll start to build more clouds in here Sunday. We'll call it partly cloudy, and then turning mostly cloudy by Monday as we see an approaching system here. We'll have our best chances for rain return to the forecast as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday. And part of that rain chance is a little tricky because it's going to be dependent upon a tropical system, which we're watching closely in the Gulf right now. Looks like that will move northward and possibly have an impact on our weather by the time we get to perhaps Tuesday and Wednesday. So there's going to be a lot of fine-tuning required for the forecast next week, but just know there's a chance that that system can actually bring rain our way next week. So we'll watch the trends as we get closer. And in the meantime, guys, the good news is we're going to enjoy those cooler, a little bit cooler air the next couple of days, along with plenty of sunshine returning. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.